Steve, before we talk about the open house 15th to the 18th of October here in Coventry, now there's been a bit of a common theme. We've been to Fronton, live swarf and chips, which has been presented in the marketplace, but also we visited you at EMO, less machines, more automation. What is going to be the theme here in Coventry on your open house days?
Well, you're right, Mark. We're going to follow the theme of EMO. So we're looking at very much automation and digitisation. The reason behind that is to give the customers better efficiency on the machine, better feedback on the productivity, better understanding of what can be done and how it can be done. And we'll have many, many applications of automation at the open house.
And talking about automation, this CTX 800 with the Robo2Go, it's very much showing the capacity of automation. You've got the RPS systems here as well, and 11 machines. Why automation?
Automation is the key to efficiency. In the UK, we are a more competitive environment now, but we have to become even more competitive. Automation is very easy to implement. It's very simple to retrofit, providing the right options were purchased in the first instance. So there can be a low risk investment, and it will just give better productivity for the customer.
And I think very much you was talking to me about this CTX machine behind us. You're selling a lot of these into the gear manufacturing sector, aren't you?
Yes, the CTX with the Siemens control is a very, very efficient package for gear mill. It can do very, very precise gear milling. It's got very, very fine control on it, and we've already sold a number into some very high-end solutions.
So for any engineers out there that are looking for a new machine, maybe automation as well, you've got something extra to offer with DMG MORI Finance.
Yeah, absolutely. This is our own book, so we can actually finance people under very different conditions to we do with a traditional bank. For sure, we still have a criteria to go through, but actually we can look at them in a very different way and understand what their needs are and what is required. It's a way of supporting the customer again.
And lastly, what would be your message for any engineers looking for a new machine at the moment?
Well, DMG MORI offer a very, very wide portfolio. For sure, we can't be all things to all men, but we can actually operate under a lot of different sectors. So we have the additive, both powder bed and laser deposition. We have traditional milling, traditional turning, as well as multi-axis, as well as laser technology for embarking on cutting diamonds and that kind of thing.
Great, thanks Steve. Well there you go, date for your diary, 15th to the 18th of October here in Coventry, DMG MORI UK Open House.